Hello, I OP Srivastava is going to demonstrate the method to find out the vector sum of by vector sum of some given vector by geometrical method. In fact, on screen you can see that I have already demonstrated the vector sum of different vectors in different way. But let us start from very beginning. Okay, so I'm starting from beginning. This question number three, answer number three. Let us miss question number zero. Vector addition geometrical method explanation with worked example. Start. I have written here. It's a Srivastava classes presentation. Srivastava classes present vector lesson 2. Vector lesson 1 I have already uploaded. You can go through with the same name vector lesson 1. Okay. But now let us start by first question number 1 I am going to do. Question number 1. What you say, two forces F1 23 Newton along x-axis, 24 Newton at angle 60 degree. Then we have to demonstrate the sum of the vectors. So let us start. Now answer 1. What I have written from figure, vector F1 is equal to modulus of F1 into I cos theta plus J sin theta, where theta is the angle made by vector F1 with x-axis, which is nothing but simply 0. So answer is 23i. Vector F1 is 23i. Vector F2 is equal to I cos theta 1, I cos theta plus J sin theta 1. Theta 1 is the angle 60 degree here. So vector F2 is equal to modulus of F2 is 24 I cosine 60 plus J sin 60. That is 12i plus 20.7j. Now F12 sum of 1 and 2. It is F1 plus F2 is equal to AB plus AC. How it is? See it here. It is AB plus BP1. I have written BP1, AB plus BP1. This BP1 is nothing but simply vector F2. Parallelly, it has been displaced to this place. So AB plus BP1 is equal to vector AP1. And AP is nothing but simply F1 and BP1 is equal to vector F2. So that is 35F plus 20.78J and modulus is 40.71. Okay. You can change the angle between F1 and F2. Where it is, you can change it. You will get the different answer now. Now question number 2. It is question number 2. Three forces 23 Newton, 24 Newton and 16 Newton are along x-axis at angle 60 degree and at angle 90 degree with the x-axis. So vector F1 has already been obtained in previous problems. Similarly, after F2 has already been obtained. Now F1 2, sorry, let us do answer F2. F1 is already calculated, F2 is already calculated. Now F3 is cosine theta 1 plus theta 2. This is theta 1 and this angle is theta 2. So theta 1 plus theta 2, and that is 16 cosine I cosine 90 plus J sin 90, that is 0I plus 16J. Now it is sum of two vector. Now it is sum of three vector. In three vector you see vector AB is F1, BP1 is F2 and P1 P2 is equal to F3. This is the, and sum of F1 plus F2 plus F3 is defined as AB plus AC plus AD, that is vector AB plus BP1 plus PP1 PP1 P2. So it is AP2. So F123 is 35I plus 36.78J and modulus is this. So what I am doing, pick the first vector, at the end of first vector put the second vector, at the end of second vector put the third vector, and join the starting point, the top of the third vector will get the sum of the vectors. Alright? Okay. I will demonstrate one vector, one graph also. Now let us solve third question. It is here. There are four forces. So it's F1 along axis is 23 Newton, F2 at angle 60 degree, 24 Newton, 30 degree at with F2, F3 is 16 Newton, and it is F2. Sorry, F4. F4 is making angle 60 again. So this whole angle is 150. So F1, F2, F3 I have already calculated. F3 is also here done. That is 21 I cosine 150 plus J sin 150. That gives you minus 18.19 I plus 10.5 J. And sum of the three vectors we'll see. A first vector is sum of two vector and sum of four vector is what it is? AB plus BP1 plus BP2, P1 P2 plus P2 P3. AB is F1, BP1 is F2, P1 P2 is F3 and P2 P3 is F4. So what I have done, at the end of first vector I have put the second vector, at the end of second vector I have put the third vector, at the end of third vector I put the fourth vector, and join the starting point to the end point, will get the sum of the vectors. This way you can get the sum of the vectors. Okay. Now I will show another problem also. Okay. From there it will be more clear. Uh, I am picking up, oh, here it is four vector again I am taking. How I can do it? So let us demonstrate another way. I am offering everything here, 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 here. Now show four vectors. Here are the four vectors. It is F1, it is F2, it is F3, it is F4. How will you get some? Pick the first vector. I have taken this is the first vector. Pick the second vector. It is the second vector. Two place I am demonstrating. The sum of two vector is, yeah, here it is. As starting point at the end of second vector. Here it is. Now second vector is displaced from this place to this place. This way you can get the sum of two vector. Now pick the third vector. It is the third vector. At the end of second vector I have put the third vector. It is the sum of the, here it is the sum of the three vectors. Pick the fourth vector. Here it is the fourth vector. It is the sum of the four. Here that one is the sum of four vector. So this is the way you can get the sum of vectors by geometrical method. What is the method? Pick the first vector. At the end of first vector pick the second vector. At the end of second vector pick the third vector, and so on. This way we can get the sum of the vectors. And geometrically you measure the length, you will get the magnitude as well as direction is already here. So this is the way to find out the vector sum by geometrical method. Okay. Even then if you have any doubt, please mail me. My mail address is omgurukul2020 at the rate of gmail.com. It is Gmail in fact. I have wrongly mistaken. Hmail name, but is Gmail. Okay. It is gmail.com. I have website also. If you visit there, you will find each and everything in well detail, along with question bank, answer, notes, everything. The site's name is sites.google.com/view/home Gurukul. So this way you can go in deep study, you can get everything. If any doubt, then mail me. My mail address is omgurukul2020 and at the rate of gmail.com. And I will continuously going to put lot of vectors, lecture notes and everything. Please follow me. Okay, thank you very much